New tonight, a Duke Law School graduate has received a lot of attention online because of what he is saying about ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, specifically about the types of legal advice it can provide for free. We want to bring in WRAL's Chris Lovingood for an interview you will only see on WRAL. Chris?
I'll tell you what, Gerald, I came across this just scrolling through Twitter, and when I saw he was a Duke Law grad, I said, okay, I probably should reach out to this guy. But I want to start first with a disclaimer from Eric Pacifici. He said that ChatGPT is not a replacement for an attorney. Instead, he says, think of it as an assistant when helping you understand a legal issue. He gave an example of a $750 legal dispute, and he shows how ChatGPT can help walk you through the process of addressing that dispute as you refine the questions you asked based on how the AI responds. Pacifici says this technology should not be ignored. It should be explored.
You can't help but be worried, right? But the reality is, no matter what I do, no matter what anybody does, we're not putting the genie back in the bottle for this type of technology. You can bury your head in the sand when it comes to innovation like this, or you can embrace it. You can seek to adopt it. You can adjust your life to it. But what you cannot do is pretend like it doesn't exist.
It's here. And he also says this AI can help lower income earning people have access to legal information. In his words, there's a problem with access to the law in this country. So we're talking about equity here. And if you go to WRAL.com and search Duke Law grad, you'll find this story and my entire interview with Eric Pacifici and a link to his Twitter thread. And I tell you what, Gerald, I've kind of went through and thought of some examples I can use. Granted, can't really use it much for our business's news because we have to, do the news. But I use it for, coming up with a workout plan, a meal plan. It's very useful.
It's like Google on steroids. Thank you, Chris.